Alright guys, so this is day one of the therapy, and I woke up this morning to see that this place is really cleared. You can see, look at this point compared to this side, yeah. So, and this place too. So I notice a little change here and there. This is day one, and I did lip scrub with baking powder, turmeric, and coconut oil. So I like us to check the two for the 7 days, the mouth and the face, the sunburn. So this is day one, guys. See you tomorrow. Guys, okay, so this is the second day of the therapy. So you can see it. All these ones are clearing compared to the first day. Can see it. Yes. This one is clearing more. I think I have just here left. Yeah. And here. The second day. So we are going to day 7. So at the end we see the results of the therapy. Alright guys. And the lip too. I did the scrubbing yesterday. Look at it. It's brightening up. So I'm treating the two at the same time. The lip scrub and the sunburn treatment. Look at it. Oh wow, this place is really clean. So I focus more here and here. Alright guys, see you tomorrow. Alright guys, this is the third day, and see, oh my god, this is a great improvement for 3 days. Oh god, look at this. This is blending up, it's blending up, it's blending up. Just a little more to go, a little more here to go. I'm so happy. Alright guys, so yeah, a little here more to go. We're going for 7 days guys, so this is the third day. Thank you. So guys, this is the 4th day, and what I'm seeing here is very nice and interesting. You can see the under eye is blending, and the side, look at the side cheek, is clearing up. The 4th day, wow, I'm loving this therapy, and even the lips too are brightening up. Look at it from that view. You can see that this therapy is really potent and it's working. Oh, I can't wait to see the 7th day and a new look entirely. Okay guys, this is the 5th day, and you can see that, oh god, the cheek is blending seriously. The under eye is also clearing up. You can see there's brightening. Wow, it's just faintly left. I love this, it's great. This side too is clearing. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Remaining 2 days guys. Okay, and this is the 5th day. Welcome to the 5th day. Take a look. I'm so excited. Look at it. Oh god, it's blending up seriously. Just look at that cheek area. That mark is going down, it's fading away. Look at it. This therapy works, and the beautiful thing is it's natural. There's no side effect guys, and it's a permanent cure to it. Look at the lips also. Wow, the lips are really brightening up, not dark again as usual. And finally, we are here on the 7th day. Look at how far the therapy has gone. Just look at it. Okay, you can notice that there are some kind of wrinkles there. Oh yes, you can see it. What will happen there? I can tell you what will happen there. Is going to peel off. It's going to peel off. So it's going to peel off, and then that tender skin will now come out. The good thing about this therapy is that it's a permanent cure. So you only need to maintain it, which I will tell you in my next video, how to maintain the permanent relief that you have received from this therapy. So turmeric is very good for this treatment of sunburn. It will give you bright look in all over the face, you understand. So I'm going to still show it to you when I'm done, because I will be taking this for extra 3 days to really get that permanent look that I'm looking for. Okay, so 3 more days I'm going to apply it and I will show it to you. Then I will also talk about how you can maintain the look that you have obtained from this treatment, because it's going to clear everything and give you that supple, tender skin, that you desire. Okay, and again I will show you the products that you'll be using to maintain it. Now, have you used this therapy before, and do you intend to use it? Let me hear from you in the comment section. Please drop what you feel about this therapy and the treatment. It's all natural. There's no chemical among the ingredients. Thank you. God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not. To like this video and share it to your friends. I appreciate you guys. Once more, I say thank you for your support, for your likes, for your shares, for your comments and compliments of the season, guys. Bye.